Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing fine and staying healthy. Today I'll tell you about blackheads. Yes, it's the main problem faced by everyone and it looks disgusting. Blackheads are basically caused when a hair follicle that lay in the skin becomes plugged or sometimes clogged. The dead skin cells which are not removed combined with excess oil, these are collected in follicle opening and produce a bump. If the skin over the bump exposes to open air, it becomes black. If the skin over the bump exposes to open air, it becomes black. And that's why it is called blackheads. Now I'm going to tell you some remedies of it. Number one, baking soda. Baking soda can be used as a natural exfoliator. The mixture of water and baking soda can make a great effect on your skin. Take 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix it well. Apply on your face with your fingers. After 15 to 20 minutes, wash it off with water. The second remedy is egg whites. It is one of the best ways to remove blackheads and for skin tightening as well. It extracts excess oil from your skin. It shrinks the open pores so blackheads come out from the skin. Now take an egg white and 1 tablespoon of honey and mix them well. Apply this mixture to the affected area. After 15 minutes, wash it off with water. The third remedy is tomatoes. As you all know, tomatoes are a rich source of vitamin C along with vitamin A. These two vitamins are vital for your skin. They glow and absorb excess oil from your skin. They close opening pores, and tomato is beneficial for oily skin types. All you have to do is slice tomatoes in small pieces and gently rub them on your skin. The tomato pulp helps your skin to remove blackheads and stop excess oil. The fourth remedy is the mixture of lemon, salt, and honey. No one wants to look ugly, especially when you have to attend an important event or a function. So you need to fix the blackhead problem very quickly. Majority of us have an easy access to lemons. As you know, lemon is a source of vitamin C and it is a bleaching agent. Now slice lemons and sprinkle some salt granules over it, along with honey, and gently scrub on your skin. It moisturizes your skin and prevents from bacterial infection. After 5 to 10 minutes, rinse your face with soap or cold water and you can observe your skin glow and blackhead partially removed. Repeat this process twice or thrice a week. The fifth remedy is steaming. Actually, blackheads are located under bump of skin and you can easily get them off. The skin soften and for this you need steaming. Yes, steaming is the best and more effective process to remove blackheads. By steaming, you can allow your skin to open pores and all the toxins removed, which may cause pimples. After steaming, dry your face and gently pull off the blackheads. Then apply any kind of moisturizer. The sixth remedy is tea leaves. Tea leaves have lots of essential minerals. Study shows that it's effective for blackheads. Tea leaf oil is available at any store nearby you. All you need is to apply to the affected area and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. After it, rinse it with water. It prevents your skin from bacteria and stops blackhead growth. The seventh remedy I'm going to give you today is about the cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is part of spices and used on a daily basis in our food. But despite a spice, it has lots of benefits, like its powder is used to treat blackheads. Take 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, add lemon and a pinch of turmeric, which is also a spice. Make a smooth mixture and apply it on your face. After 5 to 10 minutes, rinse it with water, and you can observe your skin becomes bright and blackhead faded. Now, how to avoid blackhead? Number 1, wash your face daily with soap or liquid face wash. It removes excess oil and keeps off the grease. Number 2, drink water. It glows your skin. Number 3, don't use expired or unrecommended products like makeup. Number 4, eat fruit, especially those having vitamin C and vitamin A. I hope you like all the remedies I've told you. Your appreciation motivates me and inspires me to make more videos. So don't forget to like it, share, subscribe, and most importantly, comment, so you will let me know your thoughts. Thank you. Bye-bye.